Kasi yung malaking ano, bag.
Kain na.
Nasa loob.
Alasin.
Ang kain sa akin, ang kain. Kami dalawa, kami dalawa.
Ito yung sapatos ni Ante siya tawag si
ayan
paano
na.
yan? Hindi kaganyan niya yan. Sino nag-ano na ito?
Kasi yung pinakamalaking bag. Kunin mo si Jay.
Sino nagtanggal
Okay
na
lang.
ng ano?
Nilagyan dito.
Asan yung bag niya? Ay pa, ingat ka.
Hi guys.
Galing lang kayo, no? Kabisado lang kayo.
With our cousin. With my cousin pala guys.
Ni Auntie May,
Waiting around for you to call back. Pacing around my room and my dad.
Say
Crazy, crazy. I want you to know what you have against me. The city's not the place for us to be. Cause I'm trying to figure out why you hate me.
Kunyari siya ito.
Naiya.
Airport. Baka na naman.
Naiya ba?
Oo, tama. Nahiya to nga.
Naiya to in Air Asia. Char. Nag-ano na lang kami waiting. Time check. Pero malo time check. Time check. Uy, 5:31 and yung ano alis namin 6:35. Diba? Molo nga, formal nga tayo dito yung formal.
Yes.
Formal attire. Yan. So, ayun guys. Chari.
Was it something I did? Yeah, I don't need to offend. I'm just waiting. Because of all of the lies, and you don't need to disguise your face. I just want you to know that I am rooting for you. It's okay. I can't really take it anymore. The stress is building up inside my heart. Clock is ticking, the time is up. The way I'm feeling, I think it's done. Waiting around
Insert the metal tip into the buckle
you to
and
call
tighten the belt
back.
by pulling on the buckle strap. To
Pacing
unbuckle, lift the
around
metal
my
flap.
room and my
Whenever the
bed.
seatbelt sign is on, you must be
Crazy,
transferred.
crazy. I want you to know what you have against me. The city is not the place for us to be. I wanna find out now, 'cause you got me running all over this town. Cause I'm trying to figure out why you hate me. Was it something I did? Yeah, I don't need to offend. I'm just waiting. Because of all of the lies, yeah, you don't need to disguise your face. I just want you to know that I am rooting for you. It's okay.
na ano na to? Nalagyan na ng...
4 hours kami nagbiyahe sa van. Kain na. So, Marino.
Deposo.
Yan. Kain mo na. Kanino to?
Eme yun.
We're here at Don Macchiatos in Dolores. Char! Ang cute oh. Hi Mitch! Say hi to my vlog.
Wala ko yung pang-retouch.
Kuya ka yellow yung purchase. Daming nataya sa orange oh. Wow! Ang lakas ng mga kutob nyo ah!
May isa pa yan, may isa pa pa.
80!
Tama hindi yung zero.
7K?
Tastes like honey, call me hurricane. Waking up to the sun when I'm out again. I didn't let it trade me when the pieces fell out.
Hindi, kuya, sila kuya
Mamaya
na
malaglag
bahala.
yun.
Pero na lang kuya para hindi mabigat.
Chase.
Ayun na.
Tries, I'm too young for dying. I fight with fires. I'm defeated when I'm flying, flying. Defeated when I'm flying, flying. Someday never comes. Road trips and shotguns. Sunshine on my skin. Smile is kicking in. Rider in the air. Jumping everywhere. Endless nights. Summer's on my mind.
Hi guys! We're here in Hilabaan na.
Hindi ko na kita eh.
Say hi!
2 joints sa sama.
Ay!
Mukha kang guro.
Ayun na may trabaho kong dalawa eh. Oh.
Tingnan magano ka. Ang ganda na tingnan. Talagang Pilipina eh.
Saan ko lang picture?
Kinuha namin.
Tutok mo dito, tol.
Nakita ko sa kanila.
Galing pag-ihaw ka na.
Talagang ano eh. Oh, balik na, balik na.
Nakita ko kasi syempre, ano ako, dito pa lang ako, di ko lang basta nakain yun. Hindi kasi basta-basta ang kakao, ano ko.
Yung ano?
Kakao.
Ang kakao dito.
Saan ba may kakao dito?
Walang kakao dito sa iba. Hindi ano ng kakao ngayon, panahon.
Ako, panahon ko na. Kinay, makay mo kami yan ah. Bakit na electric pa ng init? Gain-gain ka pala gun eh.
Oo,
Bakit ka muna action?
ito na nga.
Sireng, nanay norma, sireng. Babay na nala ng sireng. Kitak mga kapo.
Kala mo nag-ano lang eh. Documentary na.
Documentary. Document. Yun na. Hoy, pangit tingin ko. Yucks.
Renzo, kagaga sa... Renzo! Sabi niya papataba ng dos.